Hey everyone, if you're dealing with issues on your LG Smart TV ThinQ and need a little help troubleshooting, this is the guide for you. In this video, we'll explore how to fix LG Smart TV ThinQ TV problems with a few simple steps. Whether it's connectivity issues or app glitches, we've got you covered to make your TV as good as new. Step 1. Power cycle your TV. The first step to fixing common issues on your LG Smart TV ThinQ is to perform a power cycle. Start by unplugging your TV from the wall outlet and wait about a minute. Then, press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds. This process helps reset any temporary glitches that might be causing performance issues. Plug your TV back in and turn it on to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Check network connection. If you're experiencing connectivity issues, it's time to check your network settings. Go to the settings menu on your LG Smart TV ThinQ and navigate to Network. Ensure your Wi-Fi connection is active and select your network to connect to it. If needed, enter your Wi-Fi password and ensure you have a stable connection. Try streaming a video to check the performance. Step 3. Update firmware. An outdated firmware can lead to numerous issues on your LG Smart TV ThinQ. To update it, go to Settings, All Settings, General, About this TV. If an update is available, proceed to download and install it. Keeping your TV's firmware up to date ensures compatibility with new apps and features, optimizing your TV's performance and resolving potential bugs. Step 4. Reset individual apps. Sometimes a problematic app can cause disturbances. To fix this, you can reset specific apps. Navigate to the home screen and go to the LG Content Store. Locate the problematic app, uninstall it, and then reinstall it from the store. This often solves glitches related to app performance or functionality. Step 5. Factory reset your TV. If the issues still persist, performing a factory reset might be necessary. This should be your last resort as it will erase all personal settings and downloaded content. To do this, go to Settings, All Settings, General, Reset to Initial Settings. Follow the prompts to reset your TV and set it up anew. This process will often resolve persistent technical problems by reverting the TV to its original factory state. And there you have it, how to fix LG Smart TV ThinQ TV issues with ease. Power cycling, checking your network, updating firmware, resetting apps, and performing a factory reset are effective techniques to get your TV back on track. Remember, maintaining your TV with periodic checks and updates can prevent many of these problems. Enjoy your seamless viewing experience and don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.